Hello students, let us continue exercise 12.2. Now we discuss question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. 20, 50, 50 are the side of a triangle. How much color of each color is required for the umbrella? How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Now, question 6. Draw a triangle of side 50 centimeter, 20 centimeter. For each piece of triangle, let A equal to 20 centimeter, B equal to 50 centimeter, C equal to 50 centimeter. Now we find the semi-perimeter of this triangle. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Value of A is 20 plus value of B is 50 plus value of C is 50 upon 2. 50, 50, 100 plus 20, 120 upon 2. That is 60 centimeter. S equal to 60 centimeter. This is the semi-perimeter of triangle. Area of each piece of triangle equal to root S bracket S minus A, next bracket S minus B, next bracket S minus C. Value of S is 60, bracket. Value of S is 60, value of A is 20. This is the value of A, 20. Next bracket S minus B. Value of S is 60. Value of B is minus 50, bracket. Value of S is 60. Value of C is 50, minus 50. 60 multiply 60 minus 20, 40. Multiply 60 minus 50, 10. Multiply 60 minus 50, 10 centimeter square. Now 60 can be write 2 into 3 into 10. 2 3 are 6, 10 are 60. 2 3 are 6, 6 10 are 60. Now 40 can be write 10 into 2 into 2. 10 2 are 20, 2 are 40. This is the factor of 40. And these are the factors of 60. 10 as it is and 10 as it is. Now 10 form a pair. 2 is also form a pair. And this 10 also a form pair. Now root of this pair is 10 and root of this pair is also 10 and root of this pair is also 2. So we write 2 into 10 into 10. And remaining number is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Root 2 into 3 centimeter square. 10 10 is 100, 2 is 200, root 6 centimeter square. Area of each piece of triangle is 20 root 6 centimeter square. Hence area of 5 piece of triangle. So we multiply this calculation by 5. We get 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Hence cloth of each color is required for the umbrella be 1000 root 6 centimeter square and other also 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Now we discuss question number 7. A kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle 8 centimeter, base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. each is to be made of 3 different shaded. As shown in figure, how much paper of each shade have been used in it. This is your diagram. A, B, C, D is a square, and the diagonals of a square are equal, and given diagonals of the square is 32, so we write AC also 32 and BD also 32. Diagonal of a square bisect at right angle, so OA equal to OC equal to 16 centimeter. Similarly, OB equal to OD equal to 16 centimeter. And this is your isosceles triangle. Base is 8 centimeter and two equal side of isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter given. Diagonals of a square bisect at right angle and both diagonals are equal, so AC equal to BD equal to 32 centimeter. Now we write OA equal to OB, OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to 16 centimeter. Because diagonal AC and BD are equal and bisect each other, so we write all parts are equal to 16 centimeter. Area of first part. This is your first part. 1/2 base multiply height. Base is BD, height is OA. 1/2 value of BD is 32 multiply OA, value of OA is 16. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 32, 16 multiply 60, 256 centimeter square. Also area of second part is equal to 256 centimeter square, because first part, area of first part and second parts are equal. For third part, this is your third part. Let A equal to 8 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter, C equal to 6 centimeter. Now we find semi-perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2. Value of A is 8, value of B is 6, value of C is 6 upon 2. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter, 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter. Area of third part we find by Heron's formula, and this is your Heron's formula. Root value of S is 10 bracket S minus A means 10 minus 8. Next bracket S minus B 10 minus 6. Next bracket S minus C 10 minus 6. 10 as it is. 10 minus 8 2. 10 minus 6 4. 10 minus 6 4 centimeter square. 10 can be write 5 into 2. 2 as it is. 4 as it is. 4 as it is. Now this 4, both 4 form a pair and 2 also form a pair. So we take the root of this pair is 2 and root of this pair is 4. So we write 2 multiply 4 into root, remaining number is 5, root 5 centimeter square. 2 4 ja 8, 8 root 5 centimeter square, and value of root 5 is 2.236 centimeter square, and their calculation is 17.89 centimeter square. Area of third part is 17.89 centimeter square. This is your question number 7. Do question number 1 to 7 of exercise 12.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.